check point 2, 0.2, 0.6, show the output. This is question A. So look at the main, we have a for loop, okay. With this in for loop, we have a try and catch. So when I is equal to 0, okay, it's going to print 0 with one space. Then go to try. 1 divided by 0, that is actually will catch exceptions. But when you look at the catch, we are not doing anything, okay? So program continue runs, okay? That's the main idea of using try and catch. So here increase by 1, so I become number 1. So here is the 1 we print. So first time we print 0 with one space, and then 1 with one space. So here system print ln 1 divided by 0. I think the question is a bit strange. Okay, this is supposed to be I. That makes more sense to me, but as it is, it doesn't actually reach here at all. Okay, when I is 1, it doesn't do anything basically. So when I is increased by 1, so I become number 2. Is the less than 2, which is not, so we are going to be here, here, and then exit. So this particular checkpoints, there will be a 2 output, 0, 1 space, 1, and then 1 space. So that's going to be output. Well, this particular case doesn't do anything. Okay, 0 with 1 space at first time, second time 1 and 1 space here. So output is 0 and 1 with 1 space each. I think that's all.